In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relative and absolute cell references in Excel. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily, even if you're new to formulas. The goal here is to understand how Excel handles cell references when you build a formula and why that matters when you start copying formulas across a worksheet. First, go to Excel and open a blank worksheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, that's fine too, as long as you have an empty area where you can enter some practice data. Working in a clean sheet makes it easier to see exactly what's happening. Next, enter your sample data. You can place labels and values in a few columns so you have something to calculate with. For example, you might have one column for a quantity and another for a price. This kind of setup is perfect for practicing because it shows how formulas pull values from different cells. Take a moment to make sure your numbers are entered correctly, since formulas depend entirely on the cell contents. Once your sample data is in place, enter the formula. This is where Excel starts doing the work for you. Formulas always begin with an equal sign, which tells Excel you want to perform a calculation instead of entering plain text. When you reference cells in a formula, Excel uses those cell addresses to find the values it should calculate. Now click cell D2 and type equals B2 times C2. In Excel format, that is each B2 C2. What this does is multiply the value in cell B2 by the value in cell C2, then display the result in D2. This is a basic example of a relative cell reference because the formula refers to cells based on their position. After that, press Enter. Excel will calculate the result immediately and show the answer in cell D2. At this point, you've created a working formula using relative references. That means if you later copy this formula down to the next row, Excel will automatically adjust the references to match the new row position. That automatic adjustment is what makes relative references so useful for repetitive calculations. As you practice, pay attention to the formula bar so you can clearly see the formula Excel is using. It's a helpful way to understand the relationship between the cell you're in and the cells being referenced. Even with a simple example like this, you're building a foundation for more advanced spreadsheets. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.